Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you once again for joining us. My name is Michael Anderson from Anderson Chiropractic Office, and we've been doing a few videos talking about setting up goals for 2019, especially that this is the time of the year, the new year, when we start to set up resolutions and goals, especially in terms of weight loss, healthy eating, stress control, and exercise. And so we're just going to talk about a few concepts today to try and help make those goals easier for you to achieve. And so the first thing, as you've heard me talk about before, is to keep a journal. Anybody that knows me knows that everywhere I go I have a notepad because I'm always taking notes. And I think if you have a journal, it makes things easier. You keep track of what you ate, what you did for activity or exercise, how you felt, pertinent notes that you can refer to as to what worked and what didn't work that day. And you'll find that journal very, very helpful as time goes on. So keep track of, again, food intake, calorie intake, exercise, how you felt, those types of issues. An important goal with healthy eating and weight loss that everybody needs to remember is calorie reduction. That is the most important issue with weight loss, is long-term calorie reduction. There's certain formulas that scientists use to determine the right calorie amount that everybody needs, but let's just talk in very simple terms. For the average female, if you take your weight in pounds and multiply it by 10, that's approximately how many calories you need to sustain your weight on a daily basis. If you want to lose 1 to 2 pounds a week, then you take approximately 400 calories per day off of that number that you have. For males, you take your weight times 11. For me, at 200 pounds, that would be 2,200 calories minus 500 calories for males, puts me at 1,700 calories if I look to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week on a sustained period of time. Again, your body weight times 10 for females, times 11 for males, minus 400 for females, minus 500 for males for a weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. As far as exercise, if you haven't exercised for a while like most of us, start back simply. Walking, housework, going up and down stairs, standing up, sitting down, it all works. And so keep the exercises in your journal, but have a plan to increase the quality of your exercise as time goes on. And that's where you may need to learn about things like yoga, cardiac exercises, resistance exercises, Pilates, all wonderful styles of exercise that work towards improving your fitness, strength, balance, decreasing weight. And so don't be afraid to talk to your healthcare professional about the type of exercise that may work best for you, but mostly make sure you enjoy them. The idea is really just to get sweating, get the heart rate up a little bit, and you can really build from there, okay? Listen to your body. If you start developing headaches, dizziness, shortness of breath, chest pain, fatigue, it may be worth talking to your doctor about these things. But realize a lot of that is normal. As you decrease calories and you increase exercise, you can get a little bit of dizziness, a little bit of fatigue, a little bit of headache. But if it starts becoming more persistent and severe, then talk to your healthcare professional. Oftentimes, exercise fatigue is a result of ramping up your exercise too quickly in terms of frequency, intensity, or duration. So watch that you ramp up your exercise slowly and steadily based on how you feel, okay? Check on your mental well-being. It is so important to address stress issues in your life, or depression or anxiety, because these can really inhibit your ability to avoid stress eating, binge eating, and they can also decrease your motivation to exercise. So you really have to make sure that if you are having issues pertaining to stress, depression, anxiety, that you deal with that, either through your healthcare professional or through your family, to identify those stressors and to deal with them, because they're an important component as far as healthy eating, weight loss, and exercise. Always plan for the long haul. It's very fine to do the 10, 20, 30-day detoxes, weight loss programs, cleanses. They're very, very good programs, but they're designed as a reset. to get you eating better and healthier for the long haul, for the next year, for the next 5 years. And so if you do these cleanses and these detox and these Whole Food 30 programs, fine, but they shouldn't be used as a vehicle for weight loss because the success rate is very poor. They should be used as a reset towards a healthy lifestyle of good eating. Make sure that you're getting sufficient sleep. 8 hours a night is a good average. Some people more, some people less. Whatever you qualify as appropriate sleep, make sure you get that every night, especially as you increase your exercise intensity. The ABL concept in my office is always be learning, and that's what I tell patients. Learn about nutrition, learn about stress management, learn about exercise. We have tremendous resources available in this office where we deal with that every day with patients. You can get a hold of me by phone, email, Facebook. You can stop in the office. I charge nothing to have conversations, particularly as they relate to wellness. So we have a lot of information available here at the office for patients and for viewers to help with your goal setting. So make sure you involve your family. It's difficult to do these things on your own, but ultimately at the end of the day, it's your personal responsibility to make the right decisions, especially as time goes on. It'd be nice to involve your family, but make sure that you focus on making your own personal choices first. Be realistic with your goals. If you have a bad day, you're going to have bad days once in a while where you eat bad or you don't exercise. The next day, just resolve to get back on track again. Don't wait till next week to do your reset. Make sure you do your reset right away. So both in the short term and in the long term. So those are just some basic ideas to try and help you along to achieving your goals for 2019. We will do a number of videos that talk about exercise and nutrition, but we're going to ultimately lead to the science of functional and natural medicine, where there is wonderful bodies of research that come out, and we'll talk about what the research is saying about natural medicine and functional medicine, and what that should be telling you, and how you can benefit from the concepts of functional and natural medicine. So we'll do that in the very near future as well. Please feel free to contact us anytime if you have questions or concerns. Otherwise, enjoy your New Year's meal and enjoy your post-New Year's breakfast after your hangover, and then start getting going on your goals right away. So thanks and have a great New Year's.